Before you start, I invite you to subscribe to our channel, so you do not miss any of our videos. Doctors are dumb. Just boil these 2 ingredients and you will quickly lose all your body fat. In brief moments, a written explanation. There are millions of people who care about their body weight, especially women or those who dream of losing weight quickly and effortlessly. But this sometimes becomes very difficult. However, there are ingredients that nature gives us that accelerate weight loss and burn more calories without having to make big sacrifices. In this article we are going to teach you how to prepare a simple recipe to lose weight easily. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 250 milliliters of water. Preparation: to prepare this recipe you have to mix boiling water with cinnamon, then remove the container from the fire and let cool. To preserve the properties of honey that will help you lose weight, you have to add it to this drink when it is cold, never when the water is boiling. How to take this drink: you have to drink half of it just before going to sleep, and the other half in the morning when you wake up, on an empty stomach. In just 7 days you will realize that you have lost weight faster than before. The results will surely surprise and encourage you to continue losing more weight. If you liked the video, and you think it can help you, I invite you to give it a like, to share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss any videos.